know you're not. You know you got the power to make me weak inside. And girl, you leave me breathless, but it's okay, 'cause you are mine somehow. Oh, now please have it said. I can't imagine life without Brian. You